Hello and welcome to the Sports Join with me, Kushag, and we are here having a look at the ISL teams here today for the upcoming season. The team in focus for this video is Northeast United, and we'll start with Pratnesh here. Pratnesh, Northeast United, probably the team that carried the wooden spoon last time, everyone's favorite whipping boys sort of a thing. Did not have a good season at all. They tend to not do very well mostly in their ISL seasons. If you see their past history, they, if I'm not wrong, they've made it to the playoffs just once. Uh, how do you see this squad shaping up? From when I see the squad, we've got the likes of Idrissa Silla, Federico Gallego, and Laling Mabia, which I'm sure Webber हमें बताएंगे उसके बारे में. पर कैसे देख रहे हैं आप इसे? मतलब do you think कि potential है कि they can maybe get off the bottom spot and start climbing up the table this season?
I don't know because last season जैसे मैंने games देखे थे, they signed Asamoah Gyan after like a horrendous effort which they put in to sign him, and then after that, the player just couldn't live up to the expectation. Frequently injured. They had to sign Federico Gallego actually to replace him in many ways in the squad, who actually then came on and did pretty well. But again, there was not no significant goal output from him as well. So I think that's the real issue for them right now, which I think with the experienced players at least they will find it really difficult. But I think Idrissa Celia, I think we were talking about him. He recently come from Belgium and he scored 10 goals in the 16-17 championship season for QPR. I think until very recently he was really touted by QPR, but didn't really work out for him there. Went to Belgium. Now he's in India. That's quite a journey in a way. But I think good to see that a player who was considered regarded one of the good players has come at an age where
He's still
he
he's
can
still
actually
you
create an
can still
impact. Yeah,
you still say he's not on the decline. He's still in his prime at 29.
no, yeah. I think for a striker, he's at a good age right now to come to India, especially. So I think the his qualities will be something that Northeast should be relying on. I think which probably they wanted from Asamoah last season. So I think that's one step that they are going to take up. And I think the whole thing about Northeast United again, like along with Kerala Blasters, is that the incredible fan support they had, in spite of the fact that they weren't really playing well. It's like the whole sister way of Northeast just gets united together. I have been to stadiums in Mumbai, in Bengaluru, in Chennai, where Northeast was playing, and you could only feel that it's a Northeast home ground. So that is how incredible their support is. But this season it won't be their huge, massive loss again. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how they really build from all these things, and whether they are actually able to get out of that bottom spot. But to be honest, I'm not completely worried about it at all.
All right. वैभव, जैसे कि हम लोग मैं आई वाज आस्किंग प्रत्नेश अबाउट नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड. मैं जब फिक्सचर्स देखता हूँ इनका, तो फर्स्ट 3 फिक्सचर्स में फर्स्ट फिक्सचर इज मुंबई, थर्ड फिक्सचर इज गोवा. एंड कंसिडरिंग टीम जो फिनिश किया था लास्ट लास्ट सीजन, I don't think that's an easy start at all to the season in the ISL. How are you seeing them do? I can see some impressive looking players on the paper. बट अगेन जैसे कि हमने कई टीम्स का देखा है कि ऑन पेपर एंड ऑन पिच में काफी डिफरेंस हो जाता है. एनी थॉट्स ऑन नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड, अगर आप अपना प्रेडिक्शन भी दे सकते हैं तो?
Actually, I feel very sad about Northeast fans, Highlanders Brigade. I mean, this club fails almost each and every year, except one season, and they have such a passionate fan club, as Prathamesh said. And I thought ये club Kerala Blasters से हटाए जाने के बाद इनको शाटोरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट ज्वाइन कर लेंगे, लेकिन वो हुआ नहीं. क्लब ने Gerard Noose को चुना. Gerard Noose, I think he is the youngest ISL coach to manage the ISL club, even younger than Sunil Chhetri, and he was in first team staff of Liverpool at the age of 22, and he also worked with Auram Grant, who was a former manager of Northeast and a technical director in Ghana national team, assistant coach. And they have good Indian players. I will say Subhashish Chaudhary And last season, Mohan Bagan won I League, and two players, जो दो players थे मोहन बगान से, आशुतोष मेहता एंड वीपी सुहेल, उनको ज्वाइन किया, उनको ऐड किया है. साथ में गएगो को कैप्टन बनाया है. गएगो को कैप्टन बनाने का जो गेस्चर था वो बहुत ही मतलब अप्रिशिएट करने जैसा है, क्योंकि करियर थ्रेटनिंग इंजरी हुई थी गएगो को, लेकिन स्टिल क्लब ने उनको रिटेन किया, अब कैप्टनसी दी. मतलब काफी एक अच्छा गेस्चर था. एंड आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड एटलीस्ट दिस सीजन. पिछले सीजन कर रहे थे वो ट्राई, इस सीजन ऐसा लगा कि इंटेंड ही नहीं है.
Okay. So मतलब we can expect again, Prathamesh, coming back to you. We can expect a bottom half finish as Weber was saying.
Yeah,
and
you know,
it will be
pretty
a
much
struggle.
bottom in itself. Let's not mention how, but unfortunately, that's the side, right? You know, you don't wish anyone to finish bottom, but the amount of effort that's actually gone into the club, in spite of the fuss about John Abraham and everything else, the celebrity attraction that they get, actually the club's not running well. So that's a big loss for the ISL in itself. It's such a
Massive
massive
supporting.
football club. Yeah, and I think that's where best of Indian
Potential-wise,
footballers.
if you see Prathamesh, potential-wise, they're the best.
Yeah, I think they've got a brilliant potential to develop fantastic academies in those states where you know players come, you know, absolutely leaps and bounds over the players from other parts of India. Exactly.
Northeast से तो most of the players हैं आपके India team में.
So that's the thing, right? That is where players are not able to really get into the groove. So I think massive potential for Northeast, but if that potential is never tapped, then what's the use of it?
All right. So here's hoping for a legions and legions of Northeast United fans that you know you have something to cheer for this season, and you know your team makes you proud. And for more of ISL videos, related videos, do keep it locked to the TSD.